How to change phone number on Viber. In this video, I'll guide you through changing your phone number on Viber. Follow along with me while you watch. First, open up your Viber app on your device. Once you're inside the Viber app, tap onto the More icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, tap on Settings and then Account. There you'll see the option that says Phone Number. Tap on it, then hit on Continue. Viber will now ask for your new number. Go ahead and enter it. Once you have entered your new phone number, you'll get a verification code by SMS. Type it in and boom, your account is now linked to your new number. And that's pretty much it. You have now updated your phone number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.